po kayo lahat ay gising na ngayon. Unlike kanina na lahat ay nakahiga pa ata. Okay, thank you. So, I'll be sharing my screen. Can you inform me if visible na po sa on your end? Visible na po ang ating screen. Okay, thank you po. So, for today's discussion, we will be having this computation or these computations under chapter 1. So, this is more like of an introductory computation. No? So, we are talking about annular capacity. No? So, pag sinabing annular capacity, it's pertaining to the volume capacity or since we are pertaining to if we have here, for example, ito yung ating uh, pipe diameter. Then, this is our borehole diameter. So, when we talk about the annulus or the annular capacity, we are talking about the space between the pipe and also yung ating formation or the reservoir itself. No? So, if that's the case, we are to compute for the volume capacity, and its volume capacity is expressed in terms of the units. It is expressed in feet cube per foot or in barrels per foot. No. So you may see these units when you talk about annular capacity. No. You have cubic feet per foot and the barrels per foot. Okay. So, yung nagiging conversion natin for this is yung conversion factor would be the 5.615. Okay. So, knowing that per barrel merong 5.615 feet cube. No, tama ba yun? Barrels to feet cube. Yeah, per barrel there is a 5.615. Or to be exact, in 6 significant figures, that's 5.61458. Okay, but we will be using the 4 significant figures, the 5.615. Okay, so that would be our conversion factor from feet cube to barrels. No, so if you could notice in this very unit, the feet cube per foot, actually you can just simplify this one into feet square. Kita nyo? Pwede namang cancel na lang yung isang feet. Then, ang matitira is feet square. No? So, technically, if we are talking about the essence of this unit, it's more of pertaining to the cross-sectional area. Gets nyo? Diba that's volume per unit of length? That's pertaining to area. Knowing that the formula for volume is area times length. Nagigets nyo po yung point? Okay, so let me rewrite it kung ano yung concept niya. Itong feet cube per foot, pwede siyang isulat as feet square. Pero bakit natin ginagawang feet cube per foot? Since we are talking about the volumetric capacity of the annulus or yung tinatawag nating annular capacity, we are talking about its volume per unit of length or yung per depth po niya. Okay? Per depth. So if this is the case, para makuha natin itong annular capacity, we just need to compute for the cross-sectional area. Okay? So for the cross-sectional area of this given figure here, para makuha mo ito, you just need to find the area of the larger circle, itong larger circle. Let's say yung larger diameter is capital D. So that is D square. And if you could remember, yung ginagamit natin is 1029.4 minus D square. This D square, which is lowercase, is pertaining to the diameter of the drill pipe, the outside diameter of the drill pipe. Okay? So if this is pertaining to the inside diameter, though hindi naman siya matawag na inside diameter, but this is the borehole diameter itself, this D na maliit is pertaining to the outside diameter ng pipe or kung ano man yung component ng drill string yung makikita dito. Okay? So ganito yung magiging itsura niya. 1029.4. So if you could recall, yung 1029.4, saan siya nanggaling? Di ba we have the basic formula for an area. Let me write here. Sa paint natin ilagay para tayo hindi nahihirapan.
No? Or not, kapag sa candidates for graduation. Pagka kayo nag-apply at wala kayo nilagay dito at hindi ko malaman kung kayo ba
okay. So let me reshare our screen.
So yan. So paki-update ito from time
We
to
go
time.
back kung saan galing yung 1029. Actually, na-discuss ko na siya but I assume hindi pa siya gets nung karamihan. Since ano lang siya. No, para din sa benefit ng mga late enrollees natin, ano. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, this was discussed during the first week of our meeting. Okay. So, the question is, saan manggagaling? But sobrang pixelated niya naman. Saan? Okay lang ba yung tsura niya? Pen. Saan ba yung pen dito?
Jones, walang extra. Wala kayo
Saan manggagaling itong 1029.4? Bakit nag-iiba? Ito pala brush.
Ano ngayon, ay hindi ko naman nga akalain hindi ako makakasama. Kasi
Bakit siya yun?
Oo, mamayang hapon.
Pangit niya tingnan. Try ko sa note pala. For a while lang. Para lang sa inyong benefit. Ang pangit kasi pag paint na pixelated yung sulat. Okay. Visible na po. Okay, thank you. So we have the 1,000. Pangit din magsulat. Hiram lang ako ng writing pad para try ko na yung last sem. Thank you. Hiram lang tayo writing pad para better yung ating writing for this one. For a while lang. Kita po. Ayan. Ba't tinagana siya? Open na ba ito? Yun. Okay. So we have here 1029.4. So saan ang galing yung 1029.4? 1029.4, if you could notice, siya yung nakikita nating constant doon sa formula natin for the area or yung cross-sectional area natin. No? So saan siya nanggagaling? The area, knowing that the area is pi over 4, no? So we are pertaining to d square. So let's say we have a given diameter. And this pi over 4 and d square, yung magiging input natin for the diameter is in inches. So in inches po siya. So para Since nagiging naka-square po yung ating diameter, so technically magiging inch square yan. Though, yung ating ginagamit is feet cube per foot, which is also the same as feet square. So, para ma-convert siya into feet square, we just need to divide it again by 144. Bakit natin divide by 144? This is in feet square. Para ma-convert siya, let's say we have here inch square. Para ma-convert siya into feet square, you just need to multiply it by the conversion factor. Per every foot, there are 12 inches. So when you square this one, para maging feet square at inch square, makancel yung inch square. Anong magiging denominator niya? Siya ay magiging 1 over 44 feet square. Okay? So technically, this would be our conversion factor. Another one. Since it is in feet square, which is just the same with feet cube per foot, we convert it into barrels per foot. Since we have this conversion, para ma-convert yung feet cube into barrel, we will be using 5.615. Hey, so can you evaluate this one in the calcu? I'll be highlighting yung evaluate nyo. Evaluate nyo nga ito. Ito lang values na ito. I'll be trying it. Share ko nga ng entire screen na lang. Para kita nyo din.
Same process lang naman.
Saan ko ang calcu? Ito yung ating value. Let's say we have pi over 4 sa numerator. Sa denominator, that's 144 times 5.615. Yung lalabas yun na sagot is ito, 9.7. But since this is in the, kung baga magiging 9.7135 times 10 to the negative 4 d square. Para mas mawala yung kanyang maliit na value, we find its reciprocal. 1 over the answer. So, para makuha natin yung reciprocal niya, we just need to divide it by 1 over the value. We divide 1 over the value. So, ibig sabihin, if initially this is at the numerator, and since we find its reciprocal, siya po ay mapupunta na sa denominator. Kaya nagkaroon po ng conversion factor or itong constant na ito sa ilalim. Nagigets pa? Though technically, we consider 49. Gets po iyon. Pero 4 talaga siya. Siguro nagkaroon lang dito ng discrepancy kasi array 1.614 blah blah 58. Gets kung saan ang galing ito. Guys, though ito yung na-discuss na natin last meeting. Para lang sa benefit ng iba na late enrollees. Okay, so let's go back. Let's have our example for this one. Meron daw tayong drill string composed of 10,000 feet of 5.5 inch 24.7 pound mass per foot drill pipe. So this 5.5 inch is pertaining to the outside diameter. Ito po ay naka-pertain, bakit nagaganon? Pertaining po siya sa ba't nagaganto? Outside, ano nangyayari din? Ito po ay naka-pertain sa outside. Sa outside. Nagaganon. Ko na ngayon. Sa outside diameter. So this 5.5 is the outside diameter. However, if we could notice, this is pertaining to the capacity of the pipe. Kanina, yung discussion natin is the annular capacity. But the first question is the capacity of the drill pipe. When we talk about the capacity of the drill pipe, since drill pipe, ito yung nasa loob, so we need to find the cross-sectional area of the smaller circle. Gets? So, para mahanap natin yung cross-sectional area niya, we just need to find its inside diameter. However, ang given po natin is outside diameter. Hi. So, ano yung magiging approach natin for this one? Hindi given ang inside diameter, pero may given po tayong outside diameter as well as yung kanyang nominal weight. Nominal weight. Given ang nominal weight niya, which is 24.7. If we are to look into saan ba yun? Quiz. Finance. Nakikita niyo ba?
And then, 75.
Hindi sa pipe. Yeah, ito. Drill pipe casing pala to. Saan nga siya? Sa remedial. Ito ba yan? Casing to. Casing to, ito ay ito yung drill pipe pero hindi kulang. Sa internet na tayo kumuha ng drill pipe specification table. Specification table. Wala sa history. Ito. Sa history nag-search pero okay lang. Ito. Ano nga yung ating ano? Yan. Ang ating drill pipe daw, it was given as alay, bigla naglabo. Ang damot naman nun. Yung script, biglang nag-blurred. Eto, yan. Okay, so if you would see here, though may iba't iba po tayong grades. Natandaan nyo to kanina, yung grades natin. Drill pipe grades, different drill pipe grades depending on the minimum yield strength or yield stress na kaya nyo i-accommodate. So for here, we have 5.5. And if you could notice, yung atin pong given na nominal weight is 24.7. And 24.7, ito po iyon. Though iba't iba yung grade niya, if you could notice, pare-pareho lang po yung kanilang wall thickness. Kita niya? Pare-parehas lang yan. Nag-iiba lang yan if nag-iba po yung nominal weight niya. Kita? Okay. So for a nominal weight of 24.7, there is a wall thickness of 0.415. Actually, this one is good kasi given na po yung ating inside diameter mismo, you don't need to manually compute for the inside diameter. Gets? So the inside diameter of our drill pipe daw is 4.67 inches. So ito siya. Based on the computation, that's just outside diameter minus twice its thickness. Okay. So we have 5.5 minus 2 times 0.415. So for the inside diameter, we'll be using 4.67. And to find the capacity of the drill pipe in barrels, we just need to substitute it in our annular capacity formula, which is somehow related with the cross-sectional area. So that is D square all over 109.4. So kung ito yung gagamit yung formula, dapat yung input natin is in inches. Dapat siya ay in inches. Matic or automatically we will have an answer of barrels per foot. Nagigets po iyon. So computing this one to verify the value here, we would be having D square, that's 4.67 square all over 1029.4. So that is 0.0211 barrels per foot. And this is yet in annular capacity per foot per unit length. Yung required natin is the capacity of the drill pipe in barrels. So we are finding its volume as its capacity. Okay? So in order for us to find the volume, we multiply it by the total depth or yung length ng ating borehole. It's given na yung length niya is 10,000. Given po yan sa problem. Okay? 10,000 yung ating length. So we just need to multiply it, multiplying the values. Makakancel po yung feet as our unit. Ang matitira po ay barrels. So for the capacity, it is approximately 211.86. So we find it in 4 decimal place. Ito kasi nandito ay 2 decimal. Kung hanapin natin siya in 4 decimal places, magiging sagot natin is 211.8603 barrels. Questions? Questions po? Nagigets po? Gets naman? Sure. Okay. So we proceed naman with the capacity ng drill collars. Same po in barrels. So substitute. Yung sa drill collar, ang given po natin for the drill collar is inside diameter already. So you don't need to find its ID kasi normally given is the OD or the outside diameter or the outer diameter. And since ID na yung given, we just need to directly substitute 4 inches doon sa formula. Ano yung substitution nito? Pinakataas pala. Okay, so that's 4 square all over 1029.4. Then we'll get a different answer. Then for the capacity, we just need to multiply it by the depth. The depth po of the drill collar, yung length po niya, di ba in our introduction to drilling engineering, we know that the drill collar is just part of the whole drill string. So yung itong 1,500 feet, yun lang po yung length na may drill collar. Yun lang po yung makapal yung thickness. And by that, multiplying this, we will get the capacity ng drill collar as 23.31. Question. Gets po iyan? Question for that.
Line weight pala. Line weight.
Questions? Sure. Okay, so you can now answer the chapter 1 exercises that would be part of your problem set for no. So you can answer this. For now, you can have a screenshot of this one. Screenshot nyo yun muna yung 1 to bago ko ilipat sa 3. Ilan ba to? Sa 3. Yung 1 at 2 muna yung screenshot ninyo. So you can start answering this one already. Okay? Later on, I'll give you 30 minutes to answer this one. Later on, I'll be calling names for you to discuss your answer. Okay? So siguro we'll be dealing muna with the first 2 questions. Okay? So first 2 questions. For the first one, ay later na lang magtawag para sure kayo lahat ay magsasagot for this one. Okay? So 1 and 2. Na-screenshot nyo na po. Okay, so I'll be giving you 30 minutes to answer this one. Then by 11:34, we'll be discussing it. I'll be calling 5 names. 1 for capacity of the drill pipe, for the drill collar, another one. Then for number 2, tatlong students kasi tatlong Okay? So let's be back at 11:34. With regards doon sa sa drill pipe specification table, So, dito niyo lang tingnan. Available naman po siya online. You go to this page or web page. Del Pipes. Okay? Yun naman po ay available online. So I'll be giving you the time, the rest of the time to answer. Okay, good morning once again. Are you done with these two item exercises? Tapos na po. Okay, before we proceed with answering these two problem solving, I'd like to raise a specific, though it's not technically a concern, but um, based on my evaluation earlier, I'm thinking of yung prelim natin is more of a title defense for your final project. Gets niya? So, sa halip na tayo ay magkaroon ng written exam for the preliminary assessment, yung magsiserve as the prelim exam would be the title defense for your final project. However, for that case, supposedly dapat by next week, makapag week 4 next week. Yeah, makapag ano tayo, that's exactly our face to face. Makapag defense tayo. Okay lang? Or would you want to have written exam? Guys, though I will still ask Ma'am Julia about it since yan, I would like to have the advice of the program chair for that case if allow na ganun na lang yung case. No. And I think parang mas gusto niya yung ganong setup. Okay lang guys. Learn. So kung ganun yung mangyayari, siguro magkaroon lang tayo ng quiz for chapters 1 to 3 para hindi tayo mahuli or magkaroon ng gap with regards to the topic or the chapters. I'll still ask later, Ma'am Julia, about it. Okay? But as far as I know, it's possible naman, no? That the prelim would be more of an oral presentation. Anyways, okay, so for our first item, let me just get your names. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng so I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes to explain a specific question. For a while, I'm setting up your names.
Ilan gamit na natin? Dapat yun Number 1. Tapos, ay, so,
Ano?
10 na. Tapos,
Mhm.
ba't pala dalawa, no?
Okay. So, yan. Paano ba ito ba? Okay, for the first item, let's have tagal naman umikot. Andal Patricia. Dito ba si Andal? Can you confirm? Dito ba si Andal? Pangalan ni Andal? First name, Patricia. Patricia. Wala. Absent si Patricia. Okay, so we have key for the first item. Nandito si Key, nakita ko kanina. Key.
Ayan
Kindly Will you present so I can stop share?
Okay po. Yung letter A lang po ng number 1, ano sir? Pwede po ba mag-send na lang po ako ng screenshot sa GC? Tapos
Okay.
i-explain ko na lang din po.
I-share screen mo na lang din para kita din.
Sa iPad kasi. Sige po, wait lang. Mhm.
2 to 3 minutes lang yung explanation for each. Para mabilis tayo.
Wait lang po. Wait lang.
So, wait lang. While Key is preparing, I'll be... Let's figure out na kung sino mag-answer ng number 2 or the second item. 1B, I mean. For 1B, we have Kyla. Dito si Kyla. Dito si Kyla.
Hello, sir.
Nandito ka. Si Kyla ba yun? Hindi ko nakita kung sino may Kyla,
Hello,
hello.
sir. Audible po ba ako?
Audible.
Okay po. Mag-explain na po ako. So, for number 1 po, ang sabi dyan, a drill string is composed of 9,000 feet of 5 inches, 9.5 pound per feet na drill pipe, and 1,000 feet of drill collars having a 3.0 inches na internal diameter. So, for letter A po, pinapakalculate po sa atin ang capacity of drill pipe in barrels. So, ito naman po is actually exactly parang similar sa naging example ng sir kanina. So, first po is kinalculate natin yung diameter. Yeah, yung diameter po. So, meron tayong 5 minus 2 times 0.362. Yung 0.362 po is from the website po na pinapagamit sa atin ng sir kanina. Makikita po natin siya doon, giving us 4.276. And then, para naman po i-calculate yung area, we will use the formula d squared over 29.4 na constant. So, 4.276 squared over 1029.4 will give us 0.0177 and so on. Or if i-round off po natin siya to 4 decimal places, 0.0178 lang. And of course, to get the capacity, i-multiply lang po natin siya sa given na depth, which is 9,000, giving us 159.8578 BBL since makakancel po yung fee.
Okay. Okay na. Okay, thank you, Key.
Wait lang po ba?
With regards to the answer, tama naman siya in terms of the process. But I would suggest doon sa iba, lalo na sa mga for future references, na wag kayo agad mag-round off to for decimal places. Gamitin nyo yung whole or yung value mismo. Saka tayo mag-round off sa final answer na lang. Okay pa. Okay, next. Nandito pa si Kyla. Ba't nawala naman naka-open ng camera? Si Key, si Levi, si Andre, si Nathan, si Jacob, si Betong, si George, si Red lang ang naka-open ng camera. Si Kyla nandito. Para sa si Kyla, nakita ko. Nandito si Kyla. Plus points si Betong. Si Betong magsasagot ng number 1A, 1B. Okay, papalit kay Carla ay si... Let me share the screen. Yung mga hindi nagsasagot absent for today, ha? Okay, next. Yung magsasagot ay si JC. Ano ba si JC? Dito si JC. Wala din, absent din.
Julie,
Reshare ko lang ulit.
call back ka raw sa registrar. Meron daw hindi nag-apply. Oh, isa nga. Alex, Barca. Ayun.
Okay. We have
Sabi sa group daw nung sinano.
Alexa. Dito ba si Alexa?
Ay,
Alexa?
dito po.
Okay. Answer this number 2. I mean the second question, the 1B. Finding for the dear caller. Will you share your screen?
Sir, naka-handwritten po eh.
Yeah, sige. Send mo lang sa GC yung ano. Then just explain verbally. So, hindi ko naalisin tong share screen ko. So, while Alexa is preparing, let's have already the 3 names for 2A, 2B, and 2C. 2A, we have CJ. Nandito si CJ.
Sir, si CJ po ay, hindi ko po alam kung alam. I mean, nagsabi po si CJ na siya po ay, ngayon lang po nasa school din po si CJ. In-excuse po siya, pinapatawag lang po ni Ma'am Marjorie kasi ang alam ko po ay nagmi-meeting po sila regarding sa SPE po. Pero nandito po siya kanina, nagsagot po siya kanina.
Okay. We have 2A to ha. Ranjil. Nandito si Ranjil. Dito ka si Ranjil. So pa din naman ata absent. Dito ka. Di ata nagana mic mo. Ayusin mo muna bago mag-present. 2A si Ranjil, 2B si Andea. Sige, Sti, nandito si Sti.
Sir, kasama po ni CJ.
Okay. 2B. Joylyn. Dito si Joylyn kanina, di ba? Hindi, ba si Joylyn? Joylyn 2B.
Yes.
Okay. 2C. Last I see. Ah, dito. Kit. Dito ba si Kit? Wala sa meet si Kit. Ah, dito pala. Hello? Okay, before tayo mag-proceed, basta si Kit ang 2C. Proceed ka na, Alexa, for your presentation.
Nasend ko na po sa GC.
Okay, go ahead. Explain it verbally. Naka-off mic ka ha, baka hindi mo pansin.
Para po makuha yung capacity po ng drill collar is squared po yung inner diameter which is yung 3 po over po dun sa constant na 1,029.4. So yung magiging sagot po is 8.74 25,57,062 times 10 raised to negative 3 po. And then para po makancel po yung feet is imo-multiply po siya sa 1,000. And the magiging sagot po is 8.7425 57062 BBL po.
Okay, thank you, Miss Alexa. So, do you have any question with her answer? Same lang po yung nakuha ng iba? Same? Okay. Next, sino nga yung sa 2A? Sino nga yun? Di ko... Si Rangel ba ang 2A? Rangel, go ahead. Magpe-present ka ba, Jill? No help a friend. Wala. I-present mo yung solution mo. Rangel. Absent ka na din. Sinong gusto mag-volunteer for 2A? Yo, may sinend sa GC. Go. Present mo. May present mo ba?
Hello po. Sarinig po.
Nakarinig.
Ginawa ko lang po sir yung katulad po nung process dun sa mga huli. Katulad dun sa number 1. Di ko alam kung tama. Hello?
Go ahead, explain mo yung solution mo.
Sir, ang hinahanap nga po yung annular capacity of the drill pipe section. So, ginawa ko po ay yung chinek ko po dun sa drill pipe specification po. Tapos may given po na 5 na outside diameter. Tapos ang kanya naman pong nominal weight ay 19.5 din. Tapos yung sinubstitute ko lang po, yung 4.276 squared po pala dapat yan over 1029.4. Tapos ang lumabas ay yung 0.0177 ganyan. Tapos sinolve ko naman yung capacity. Minultiply ko po yung sagot ko sa 8,500. Tapos yan po ang lumabas. Thank you.
Okay. Did the other get the same answer? Actually, in terms of the under capacity or in terms of the under capacity per foot or per unit of length, same lang sila with number 1. Tama. Kasi same lang ang diameter as well as the nominal weight. Did you get the same answer? Okay, thank you. Next, we have the second item for the second problem. Sino nga po yung ating natawag for 2B? Si Joylyn, ano? Go ahead, Joylyn.
Send ko lang po sa GC yung solution. So, yung sa akin po ay annual capacity of the drill collar section. So, para po makuha yung AP, given na po yung tawag doon, inner diameter po ng sa drill collar, which is 3.75 square over yung 1,029.4 BBL over feet po. Ang nakuha ko po ay 0.01366087041 BBL over feet. Para makuha po yung capacity, ilan times po siya sa diameter, which is 2,000 po. Kaya 0.01366087041 times 2,000 po. Yung answer niya po ay 27.321748 barrel. Yun lang po.
Okay, yung iba po ba yung nakuha din ng same answer? Same doon sa answer ni Joylyn? Okay. So please be careful with regards to typing the syntax of your solution. Specifically for Rangel's answer earlier, though tama naman yung answer niya. In terms of the yung pagsulat niya mismo ng equation, hindi naka-square yung 4.276. Diba dapat supposedly naka-square siya. Same goes for Joylyn's answer. Yung square is nasa inches lang. So you, in terms of the syntax ng equation or the formula, you put parenthesis para yung square is nakadistribute sa inches, which is the unit, and also sa value niya. Okay? Clear tayo doon? Sa solution, lalo na kapag exam, PSET at quizzes. Okay po, clear tayo. Next. Last, dito ba si Kit? Si Kit.
Yes po, sir.
Go ahead, Kit, for 2C.
Bale, ang total annular volume lang naman po is yung total po nung pag-a-add po yung 2A at yung 2B, which is po yung annular capacity ng drill pipe tsaka po yung annular capacity ng drill collar. Ang annular capacity po ng drill pipe na nakuha is yung 150.9767787, tapos add po yung annular capacity ng drill collar, which is po 27.32174.082. Ang total annular total capacity po ay 178.2985195 barrel po.
Okay, so for for the letter C on the second problem, I think you've misinterpreted this one. No, so you're talking about the capacity of both. Siguro misleading yung question, but di naman siya misleading kasi when we talk about the annular capacity, we're talking about the annulus. No, kasi wala man naka-specify kung annular capacity siya drill pipe or drill collar. If we're talking about the annular volume, knowing the fact that meron po tayong given na diameter for the open hole, earlier na-discuss ko sa inyo kanina that the annulus is ito siya. So technically, para makuha natin ito, we'll be using the larger diameter, which is yung diameter mismo ng ating annulus. So that is, ano nga given natin sa problem? 8.5. So magiging 8.5 inch square. So naka-square po siya.
Sir, may naka-share screen ka ba po?
Ay, hindi pala. Sorry. Kita niyo na. Visible na pa. Di ba, if we're talking about the annular volume, we're talking about this volume here. Okay? Kanina yung na-discuss natin is, yung nabigyan natin ng example is for the drill collar and the drill pipe. No? But we're talking about the annular volume and may given po tayo na open hole section diameter. So that is the diameter of this. So yung ating magiging formulation for that is the bigger diameter square all over 1029.4 minus the smaller diameter square all over 1029.4. Okay, so ganito yung magiging itsura niyan. Siguro magkakaroon tayo ng, may class kayo ng 12? Mag-extend tayo mga siguro 5 minutes or 2 to 5 minutes. 129.4 minus yung d square na maliit that's pertaining to the outside diameter. So we don't have any problem for that kasi given yung outside diameter ng ating drill pipe, no. So if we're talking about the total annular volume, ano magiging itsura niyan? So for the total annular volume, mag-iiba yung answer natin for the drill collar section and the drill pipe section. Kasi magkaiba yung outside diameter niya. Gets niyo po? Gets niyo po? And since yung given lang po sa atin na outside diameter is this one, in terms of the drill collar, it won't be possible for you to get, actually it's possible but di pa natin siya natuturo. So, di pa natin siya nabibigyan ng pansin for the drill collar. So, technically, we are considering only the drill pipe section, no? Kasi we're familiar with the outside diameter of the drill pipe. But for the drill collar, inside diameter yung given, then saka natin siya kumbaga, baliktad naman dito. Inside diameter yung given, outside yung makukuha mo. For the drill collar specification, if there is an existing one. But since ang familiar lang po sa atin, ulitin ko, is the drill pipe, which is 5. So we'll consider the inner diameter as 5 inch. So naka-square po siya all over the constant 1029.4. So what would be our answer for this one? What would be our answer for this one, guys? So I'll try it on our calculator para ma-verify natin. 29.4. Ano magiging sagot? 0.459. So that is in barrels per foot. Ano yung length ng ating po ng ating drill pipe? Since we're talking about the drill pipe, we multiply it by that. The length po ng drill pipe natin, to recall, is 8,500. Tama? So we multiply it by 8,500. For that, we'll get a total annular volume of 390.1545 kasi in 4 decimal places, ma-round up siya. 1545 barrels. Questions?
Sir, bakit nga po 5 na lang, 5 yung ginamit as internal diameter at hindi 3.75?
Kasi, if we're talking about the annular volume, i-redraw ko tong ano. Diba this is, ibahin natin ng kulay para makita nyo. Itong diameter na ito, siya yung diameter ng borehole which is 8.5. Ito siya. Gets. Tapos, itong isa, same lang naman siya. Itong part na ito, kung makikita mo, 5 yung ginamit which is pertaining to the outside diameter ng drill pipe. Ito kasing 3.75 inside diameter yan ng drill collar. Kahit yan ay outside diameter ng drill collar, will still account for the drill pipe. Kasi majority of that, or yung majority ng annulus is dominated by the drill pipe. It's 8,500, unlike drill collar. That's 2,000. You can add naman the drill collar. However, you still consider it's outside diameter. But for this one, since inside diameter yung given for the drill collar, we will be using 5 inches. Wala din kasi tayo nominal weight for the drill collar eh. We cannot find its outside diameter. So technically, yung drill collar lang or yung section lang ng drill pipe, I mean yung ating i-consider for it, which is 5 inches square, all over 1,025. And we just multiply it again with our length of drill pipe, which is the drill pipe section. That's 8,500. Question? Question. Gets Naki?
Yes po, sir.
How about yung iba po? Si Gets na Key and Kit. Okay, I guess you don't have any question. So nag-extend tayo ng 5 minutes for this. No. So if with that being said, we'll be continuing our discussion by tomorrow for rotary bits. So by later on, I'll be updating you with regards doon sa magiging setup natin for the preliminary assessment. Okay? So let's call it a day. See you all tomorrow for our next meeting.
Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Ayaw na.